123. He is always busy. Yes, he is always busy. He stays busy all the time. 124. Don't make noise. Stop making noise. Don't be noisy, please. 125. I am very hungry. Yes, I am really hungry. I am feeling so hungry. 126. Please call me later. Call me later, please. Can you call me later? 127. The movie was boring. Yes, the movie was boring. The film was really boring. 128. Don't forget my book. Please don't forget my book. Remember my book. Don't forget. 129. She is very beautiful. Yes, she is very beautiful. She looks really beautiful. 130. Please do it again. Do it again, please. Yes, do it one more time. 131. I am very lucky. Yes, I feel very lucky. I'm really lucky today. 132. Don't be lazy. Please don't be lazy. Stop being lazy. 133. I want to rest. Yes, I want to rest. I need a little rest. 134. Please don't cry. Stop crying, please. Please don't cry now. 135. The sun is shining. Yes, the sun is shining. The sun is shining brightly. 136. I like reading books. Yes, I like reading books. I enjoy reading books. 137. Don't go outside. Please don't go outside. Stay inside, don't go out. 138. He is very strong. Yes, he is very strong. He looks really strong. 139. Please try again. Try once more, please. Yes, try again. 140. Don't lie to me. Please don't lie to me. Don't tell me lies. 141. The food is ready. Yes, the food is ready. The food is ready now. 142. I'm feeling thirsty. Yes, I'm very thirsty. I'm really feeling thirsty. 143. Please hurry up. Hurry up, please. Yes, please be quick. 144. Don't break it. Please don't break it. Be careful. Don't break it. 145. I'm very tired. Yes, I'm feeling very tired. I am really tired now. 146. Please keep quiet. Keep quiet, please. Yes, be quiet now. 147. The bus is full. Yes, the bus is full. The bus is already full. 148. Don't touch my bag. Please don't touch my bag. Don't touch it. It's my bag. 149. I like ice cream. Yes, I really like ice cream. I love eating ice cream. 150. Please take care. Take care, please. Yes, take good care. 151. Don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me. Stop disturbing me. 152. I am very sleepy. Yes, I'm really sleepy. I'm feeling very sleepy. 153. The shop is open. Yes, the shop is open. The shop is open now. 154. Don't waste food. Please don't waste food. Don't throw food away. 155. I love music. Yes, I really love music. I enjoy listening to music. 156. Please give me your phone. Give me your phone, please. Yes, can you give me your phone? 157. He is very polite. Yes, he is very polite. He always speaks politely. 158. Don't be late tomorrow. Please don't be late tomorrow. Come on time tomorrow. 159. I am very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. I feel so happy. 160. Please switch off the TV. Turn off the TV, please. Yes, switch off the TV. 161. Don't use my pen. Please don't use my pen. That's my pen. Don't use it. 162. I like coffee. Yes, I really like coffee. I love drinking coffee. 163. Please shut the door. Close the door, please. Yes, shut the door. 164. Don't open the box. Please don't open the box. Don't touch or open the box. 165. I am very busy. Yes, I am very busy. I'm really busy now. 166. Please write it down. Write it down, please. Yes, write this down. 167. Don't forget the keys. Please don't forget the keys. Remember to take the keys.
Thank you so much for watching.